Now I tell you, we, the Lanka youth, have witnessed one of the worst state-sponsored ethnic violence the state has ever seen. We would like to take this chance to express that after 65 days of state-sponsored chaos, we will no longer be sitting like lame ducks, waiting to be tortured. Especially when the Meitei has shown their barbarism when they murdered our beloved brother, David Creek. Let it be known that many children, women, disabled persons, elderly were also killed in the same inhuman manner. Innocent people which only cowards will harm. Today, we are ready to do whatever it takes to protect our people and our identity. From these anti-national invaders from Gangneung Park, we no longer recognize the Manipur government and their outlawed militant. They are no militants. No, they are no longer fighting defenseless families. They are now fighting, facing young volunteers with the right to defend and defend them. As long as we are under attack, as long as the dead does not receive justice, it is our responsibility and our right to defend, to retaliate. We will not tolerate intruders in our land. And we will not sacrifice even an inch of our land. You are no longer in Imphal. This is the hills. This is Lanka. And to the central government, we wish to convey this. The central government fails to bring about peace and political solution. If the central government cannot even make and didn't start to sing, step down. And if the central government will not intervene in the face of relentless Meitei attacks, we are ready to face the Meitei National War! We are ready to shed more blood if it means protecting our land! We are ready to defend our ancestral land till our very last
kahon gen mai na hun hoi hun man phat pia ibiak pa pathian min ka phan ma sai tu tu ngai poi na to ki sai na lam kai yup ten the sang na kon bo lo hi makai sum to ki zwak movement be na dia pan la tu ahi kele ikito anawu sup be so ma ahi kele lam kai yup ten huchi bang mi ma le ki koi mai mai lo ding a hi me te 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 dan bang zui ahi kele mi pi the na telowa silwang ko hiat som ai kele sumdong lampi te ilampi teo hak som ai kele me te te to ahun lo pia pistong ne som akyo male atung tango lam ka youth stem ki mai to de hi atumanu ya huji bango male akibo zui pa din akibo zui pa dinga wai bana hichi banga kalsuan pi oma I front line na itoi lai gal hang tak tak amau te suthada the wai bang mi te aum khak jen jen ale aki koi mai mai ge ding labka youth de igama ding hinga apoi mole sinalim gom to leng poi kisalahi wai zakina ko pe unhai thia igam kem bi digin ikichali pankhom hana ahi pankhom chani
Kadai thak lam kami pitele ase vela mi pi pai khom den tek tegina long live tribal unity china ki ko dia buchena ihun ikhak ni long live long live long live to panun bozo chathen